daily project. It still needs more cleaning, but it's looking hella good. Definitely worth $300. Definitely needs some waxing and a little loving, but it's coming out pretty good. I'll show y'all the inside. Still dirty, gotta vacuum all this out. Even the wood came out good, man. Especially this. Just a little pressure wash, brand new. This came out alright. Needs a little paint down there, a little rusty. Maybe we could get it out with a buff, who knows. T-top needs more cleaning, but it's coming out pretty good, man. Look how fucking clean it is compared to what it was. Holy shit. 20-foot boat. $300. Definitely worth it.